Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Do-it-yourself furniture projects offering a fantastic opportunity to add a unique and personalized touch to your home decor. Repurpose wooden pallets to create a variety of furniture pieces such as coffee tables, sofas, or even bed frames. Turn old carrots, wooden boxes, or even books themselves into a stylish bookshelf by stacking them in various configurations and securing them together with brackets or screws. Utilize industrial stylish piping and reclaimed wood to construct trendy shelving units, customizing the size and layout to fit your space. Attach sharpened legs to reclaimed wood or plywood to create sleek and modern furniture pieces such as coffee tables, desk or nightstand. Experiment with concrete mix to create a sturdy and stylish side tables. Molding the concrete into various shapes using molds or cardboard boxes and finishing with sealant or paint for a polished look. Construct floating shelves using wooden boards and hidden packets for a clean and minimalist storage solution. Installing them in any room to display photos or decorative objects. Stack wooden crates or wine boxes, or even seating options, adding a rustic and functional touch to your home decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.